Hey, welcome here, video service information. Working on this 2016 Hyundai Tucson. It's got about 80,000 miles on it with a 2-liter engine. The customer's complaint was engine has a knocking noise. No check engine light is on. Knocking noise was consistent with lower end rod bearing noise. So I got the pan off and you can see the metallic debris on the bottom of the oil pan. No sludge or anything or varnish in the oil pan. Looking at the bottom end of the engine, you can see there is a little light oil varnish buildup. Pickup screen is clear, no debris in it. Found that the number 3 rod cap is moving around, so we get that removed. And you can see the discoloration here in the rod cap. Found the bearing to be spun on number 3. You can see the bluing and the scoring here on the number 3 rod bearing. And bearing debris on the bottom of the oil pan is from the connecting rod bearing. You can see here it had scored the crankshaft up on the number 3 crankshaft journal. Got heavy scoring. Pulled the VCT solenoid out and you can see metallic debris on the screen. Got the cam caps off. You can see some scoring on the camshaft journals from the metal circulation. Also on the cam caps, you can see some scoring here. Top of the engine is clean. I didn't see any signs of sludge or varnish build up on top of the cylinder head. There is various problems with the 2-liter engine. They did have recalls in the past where they're leaving material behind during the manufacturing process, damaging the rod bearings. Not ruling it out on this one, but we did appear at this time as just isolated failure to that number 3 rod bearing. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.